Wolf, I look to my sacred medicine spread, a whirling, shimmering inner light, which emanates from my sacred medicine bowl. It signals the time to co-create a reading for all dreamers dreaming this dream of life. My medicine allies pass me the ceremonial sacred teapot. The pot is painted with pictographs of sacred plants. I open the lid of the teapot. Sacred mist of ceremonial fire enters my 6 senses. The dreamtime seers of the southern skies continue to co-create with me. A distant wolf's howl echoes in my sacred space. The wolf howls a long ballad of triumph and joy. Wolf is near the shadows of Sacred Mountain. My medicine allies plot a path for dreamers to dream. There, at the base of the Sacred Mountain, the wolf awaits your spirit's presence. Time moves forward, the dreamers dreaming me, while I dream them from my sacred dreaming body. The endless cycle of dreaming reminding me of the sacred point of view. Here, I connect to great mystery. Here, within the void of nothing, I dance the dream like all of you. A pause in the dance comes. Medicine eyes see wolf trot up to the sacred ceremonial fire. He sits, his breath mist billowing like the fiery smoke in the cold air. Learning the spirit howl is the primary duty of the wolf. Within this howl, all medicine allies will know your state of being. This ability manifest needs in your life walk in many different ways. The choice of free will is your greatest tool in this dance of life. Just as the wolf howls to his pack mates, so do the two-legged need to connect with their kindred spirits. In those family and kindred relationships, past life karma is recycled and renewed, so we may experience the joys and pains with our family and extended clans. Within the truth of human connectedness is the secret of the wolf's howl. The howl is heard on many levels of awareness. To know the wolf as your personal medicine totem, you must be willing to listen to the expression of the howl. Learn how it comes to your spirit's needs and desires. The act of learning will help you translate wolf's personal message to you within every howl. The choice of free will is your greatest tool in this dance of life. Just as the wolf howls to his pack mates, so do the two-legged need to connect with their kindred spirits. And so it begins. Aho.